Okay, as like we are Muslim, we just say Jesus Christ, or him Isa, Jesus, we just say as a person like us, it's just a messenger, it's not a God. That's what we believe. We believe with only one Allah. He created him as a human, as a messenger of the Israel people. That's what we as a Muslim we believe. You believe that?
Yes.
Okay, that is nice. We also say Nabi Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam is a messenger, is a person like us. He's not a God. We believe is a messenger, last messenger of this world. We believe like that. Can we accept that?
Excuse me, you are saying you don't believe in God?
I mean, like we also believe in Nabi Muhammad as a person, messenger of the God.
Oh, messenger, yeah, I get you.
Yeah, as a messenger, we don't believe as a God. We believe as a messenger.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, Jesus Christ also we say is a messenger, is not a God.
Was it a messenger? Just asking.
Yeah, he's a messenger. He's a messenger of the God.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't believe as a God. We believe as a messenger of the Israel people.
Fine.
Can you get me?
Yes.
Yeah, but you say now you want to accept as a Muslim, we believe only with one Allah.
Right.
That one Allah is a God of the Jesus Christ, God of Muhammad, God of all the messenger.
Yes.
Yeah, we believe like that. If you're ready, you can. If you're ready, you can switch it on your camera. You can come on video now.
I do stop the camera.
Yeah, you can turn on your camera.
Jadi, baby. Naman sudah ada charger tiba. Kamera number. Yani ma fi shay hina.
Nah, you don't have to skate. You don't have to skate. This is nothing. We don't have to skate.
Tadi.
Can you hear me, sister?
Yes.
Yeah, you don't have to skate. Just the only 1 minute. It's about the 1 minute. You can switch it off your camera back again after 1 minute.
Oh.
Yeah, just switch it on your camera to people to believe you, to see. Can you hear me? Mafuza camera bani me camera video baran reading.
Yes, it's me. Anim biya ko ipi ko bana mo bana mentira.
Ah, bana tega le bise bani me.
Save godi. Aki go to video start godi thi video rati gachu kasi achu bol.
Yeah. Now you come right.
It's me.
Kapsisi.
Abdi sin kapsitani.
Kapsisi rakon gabu. Yosi tole video bayatille wajini kapsisi. Yosi tole nammo akana man kapsisi rakon enjel.
Suki do dalaga raja video ba nothing bija so jani.
Rakon enjel ye kapsisi akana.
Okay, you can just.
Abdi yookaan isin agarsiiftu. Koba saya karabbi tokko ichara gaba jirtu koba tokko ol qabette agarsiifte abbaan. Dalaatti beeti si oomisha abbaan tokko.
Tifufi.
Okay, only you must pick up your right arm.
Speak English.
Yeah, can you pick up your right arm, please? You see your finger, one of your finger, your right arm.
Right. Okay.
Yes, that means it's only the one God. There's nothing else, you see. You can continue after me.
Yes.
Yeah, ashhadu.
Kila.
Yeah, continue after me. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
An la ilaha.
La ilaha.
An la ilaha.
La ilaha.
Illallah.
Illallah.
Wa ashhadu.
Washkadu.
Wa ashhadu.
Washhadu.
Anna Muhammadan.
Anna Muhammadan.
Rasulullah.
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 Rasulullah. Rasulullah.
Wa anna Isa.
Aku masih injet sista ko rin.
Wa anna Isa.
Wa anna
Wa anna
Isa.
Isa.
Abdullahi.
Abdullahi.
Wa rasuluhu.
Wa rasuluhu.
Okay, you're gonna continue after me with the English now.
Yes.
That's the only word that means the Arabic word, that one. Can I translate for you with the English? Can you continue after me now?
Yes.
There's only one God, is Allah.
There's only one God, which is Allah.
Jesus Christ is not a God.
Okay. Jesus Christ is not the God.
He's a messenger of the Israel people.
Is the messenger of the Israelites people.
I've been witness with my own word.
What? Nah.
I've been witness with my own word.
I believe with my own word.
I've been witness.
I be witness.
Yeah. Nabi Muhammad.
Nabi Muhammad.
Messenger of the Allah.
Messenger of the Allah.
Yeah, that is all. You can not more than that. That's all about the Muslim.
Yes.
Yeah, from now on you are the Muslim. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. My God, you must bless you. You must continue to asking your sister. She can explain for you how to pray. That is all about the Muslim. Muslim, you can say only Jesus Christ, the human being, is the messenger of the Israel people. That is what we believe. God is only one God, Allah. Allah means is only one God.
Yes.
Yeah, Muslim, that is where Muslim we believe, where Muslim we continue. Yeah, my Allah will bless you. My Allah must continue to keep you strong. Go forward. You can learn about the Muslim. She can learn you how to pray. From this minute on, you must just continue. Anything come in front of you, you don't have to understand. You must just continue to pray for your God. God is only one God that you can know. Nobody can see who it is, how they look like. You understand?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, may my Allah bless you. Yeah, you must ask my sister there next to you, and she can learn you how to pray. She can continue everything, how to wash you, how to pray, how to worship with your own God.
Yes.